I'm Christina and this is Tomes and Tequila. Today I have for you an office tour. So if you're interested in seeing where I keep my books and my jewelry and I get all of this junk done, stay tuned. I thought for today's video I would give you guys a tour of my home office. Since I'm not working outside of the house at the moment, I spend a lot of time in here writing stuff for my blog, doing assorted other stuff for my Chloe Isabel business and YouTube stuff, and I kind of wanted a place of my own. So when we moved into this new house, I got my own room, which is kind of scary, and I had a lot of big ideas for the place, and it's kind of coming together. My artwork is still a work in progress, but I figured I would kind of show you guys what the place looks like right now because it's clean. So here's a tour. So this is my desk. I bought it at a thrift store here, refinished it. I think I bought it for $40 and sanded it down, painted it white, redid the hardware, and now it's all white and shiny and pretty, and I have my computer on it, way too many pens, my beautiful Filofax, and some pretty pink flowers because I'm all about the pinky flowers. This desktop is like the thorn in my side when it comes to editing my videos and stuff because the audio works sometimes and then other times it will only play audio through headphones. And then I have this, which says "Not all who wander are lost," which I thought was really cool. And then there's my trusty tripod with the thing that I normally use when I am filming videos, which has that pretty shiny ring light and holds my camera. And then some signs that my kids got me. I work hard so my dog can have a better life. Not to spoil the ending, but everything's gonna be okay. And one that says all you need is love and a dog. And then this is my bookshelf area, which with all my to-reads on it. The top 4 rows are all fiction books, and those bottom 2 are nonfiction reads, and then the baskets hold records. So the blue suitcase thing there is my record player. I have some of my Chloe Isabel jewelry over here, the new garden party necklace, and my bracelets, and all of my earrings. And then over here I've got some flowers and my rings. And I'm a huge Francophile, so I've got my Eiffel Tower there. And I love owls. And of course my tiny tequila bottles. And my sign with my horrible handwriting on it, which I need to redo. And a gorgeous Jane Eyre book purse that my friend Kelly bought me. And my TNT for Tomes and Tequila and this little glass bottle that I love. I've got my blue rocking chair that me and my husband bought this rocking chair when we first moved in together in 1993. And it was just recently painted blue to come here in my office. And I have a pillow that my friend Amy bought me for Christmas. And then up here I have artwork done by my daughter, which it will infuriate her that I'm showing you guys, but this is a painting or a pastel sketch of hers that got dark when it was sprayed because it used to be a lot lighter than this, and I absolutely love it. And then a chess piece she did. Let's see if I can get close. Just made up of a bunch of other things with horns on top, or antlers, not horns, antlers. And then this one won a state art competition. and was hung up in somebody's office in North Dakota. I can't remember who. And then we have this one of hers, which is hand made out of sticks and leaves and stuff. And I don't think she likes that they're up in here because all of these were done for a reason, for like school, but. And then we have this one, which is a fish. And we have my French book pages wreath on the door. This is where we have some more of my Chloe Isabel jewelry on some busts. And some more of my to-reads. And these are the ones that I should be reading like really soon. And today in the mail I just received Kind is the New Classy by Candace Cameron Bure, and it's signed and I was so excited. So there you go. That's my office tour. Not a lot in here. We're kind of more minimalist oriented with our decor, and it's how my husband really likes it. I have so many books it makes him itch, and I know that my collection isn't anything compared to most people. I have a tendency to read and then get rid of my books and pass them on to other people so they can have a read. I don't keep a lot of stuff in here, and what I do have I keep put away. So there you go. That's my office tour. If you like this, please give me a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please do, and I'll see you guys again tomorrow. Bye.